I want to ask a question, and I don't want an answer yet, but I do want you to think about it. What is a personal brand? What's holding you back from being in front of your personal brand?
We had Janeen just speak at our annual conference, and the information and the hands-on tips that she will provide for building your personal brand is phenomenal.
It was the most amazing experience. So much knowledge that I gained. It was very hands-on, very informative.
To do something every single day that makes you uncomfortable. Who's got a story within them? Every single one of you has a story.
The way she communicates with people and connects with people in the room, it has been fantastic.
I bought both of her books and can't wait to read them.
Had a wonderful time meeting Janeen and learning all about promoting your brand. Thank you so much, Janeen.
One of the best ways to have the energy and the capacity, the motivation to do anything is to look after the most important person in your world. Your number one priority in your life is you.